Welcome to More Sound. Today we are doing a review of the Sony Dream Machine Auto TimeSet Alarm Clock Radio model ICF-C414. Here's the audio quality of the radio. Speakers back here. It does FM and AM. I don't have an AM station set up. Next, we gotta try the alarm clock. Make sure that works. Hopefully any second now. It works. Looks like up to a 60-minute snooze time. And that also concludes our review of the Sony Dream Machine Auto TimeSet Clock Radio ICF-C414. Thank you for watching. Like and share and subscribe. Check out our other products. And most importantly, buy from us. Goodbye.